check out my Lamborghini. Woohoo! And also come here and welcome to Pimp My House, Pimp My Ride, Pimp My Mansion. Welcome to my mansion. What if I told you that all that stuff was stupid and that these three products, fake lottery tickets, eyeballs that you can stick on things, and a bug zapper for bugs, are much better products to sell and to make a lot of money right now than this beautiful, gorgeous iPhone? Okay, come with me. You might be thinking to yourself, actually, I know you're thinking to yourself, that this guy is just like the rest of them. He hopped out of his Lamborghini and now he's in his mansion. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I like this house. It's a nice house, but it's not a mega $20 million mansion with a pool and a butler. It is a nice place for me and my wife to reside. Okay, I love it. But let's get back to the point of the matter, okay? It's 2020, it's about to be 2021, and you're probably thinking, okay, maybe I've been stuck in my house a little bit too much. Maybe we're gonna go back into lockdown. God only knows. What if there was a way that you could escape your house? I love this place. This is a great place. But sometimes I get these crazy eyes and I think to myself, I am gonna lose it if I don't get to go out and see people. See humans. Here, come here, I'll show you my office. You can pimp my office. Wait, just so you know, it's spectacular. So come with me, okay? Because this is probably what you guys have been doing, is pimping your office. Oh, I need a new desk chair. Woohoo! I can't wait until my new computer monitor comes in. These are the things we get excited about these days. This sucks. Okay, check this out. Pimp my office. Yeah, it needs a little bit of work, you know? But hey, it gets the job done. And the thing that I'm saying is, guys, is that the only way out of this office, the only way to live the life that you've imagined, the life where you travel, the life where you have money to do things that you actually want to do, is to be a producer instead of a consumer, okay? We're all consumers. We all have one of these in our pockets. We're consuming all day long on Facebook, on Instagram. You're consuming this content right now, right? But none of us are really producing, and it's the producers that make the money, okay? And so on Amazon, same thing, right? All of us are shopping on Amazon. Here's a box, here's all this stuff that we buy on Amazon, right? Everything in this office is basically purchased on Amazon. Let's just keep walking, because I know you guys get very distracted on the internet. Okay, so as we walk through, think about all of the things. Hey, guest room. You can stay there, Taylor. Anyway, these products that we buy every single day on Amazon, that's great. But all we're doing is making Jeff Bezos even richer. Okay, what if some of this money, what if this was your product? What if I bought your product and Amazon shipped it to you? That's exactly what it's like selling on Amazon. All of this stuff, literally all three of these products are products that are sold by third-party sellers, which means a seller that sells products on Amazon. Come on, Taylor, come on. I know you don't want to climb these stairs. But basically what you're doing, and I want you to think of it as an analogy, guys, because it's hard to stick in, okay? This house is like, I don't know, all of the different options that you could do to make money, or, you know, it's just all the different stuff. You could just think of it like stuff, like this chandelier, something you could buy on Amazon, right? This thing, we literally bought these hangers on Amazon. Like, all of these things are Amazon, right? Like, you could walk through here and you could consume. But what if, this might be the worst analogy ever, but what if on the roof, okay, up here, through this house, it's getting dark, up here on the roof, you actually, there's this nice guy up on the roof, and his name was Jeff Bezos, okay? And you get to meet Jeff, and you go up on the roof. Come on, let's do it. Let's go
more steps.
I know, Taylor, I know. Okay, and Jeff's on the roof, okay? Taylor, you can be Jeff, okay?
Okay.
Now, this is my business partner, Taylor. Okay, you've probably seen him, he's pretty cool. We're gonna sit down here, and we're gonna make a deal, Jeff. Jeff is really owning it here, okay?
Yep.
We're gonna sit down, okay? Here's the deal, Jeff.
Okay.
Jeff, I wanna make a deal with you. I will sell on your platform that you built and is worth $1 trillion or more. I'm close to 2 trillion.
Okay.
I will provide you this.
Okay.
And you do all the work. And you just ship it to Amazon. You ship it to all my customers. If they want refunds, you send it back to them. If they want to buy another one, you send them that one too. How's that sound? Here's the crazy part about it, guys. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. Jeff Bezos shook your hand and said, that sounds like a great deal. It's because he wants to take over the world and he does not have time. I'm not kidding. He does not have time to personally manufacture these stupid eyeballs. But what he wants to do, Amazon's motto is, I want to be the everything store. They want to offer everything from fake lottery tickets to fake eyeballs to these, to this, I can't even, it's heavy. They want to offer everything, and in order to do that, they need you and me and this hairy guy right here to provide the products. And so what we do, and I know that was a really convoluted way to teach you that, but it was fun.
It was fun.
Is we want you to click the button and learn from us how to do this. And we're not going to pressure you, we're not going to sales pitch you, we're not going to do really anything besides try to make your life better and make you benefit from Amazon and produce for Amazon instead of just consuming things.
Wow.
Isn't that wild?
I get it now. I understand.
He gets it, you get it, we all get it. As a bonus, you can see this beautiful rooftop tour, and I want you to just picture your life after you've come up to your own personal rooftop. God, this is getting deep. I'm so good at this. God, I'm good at this. When you get up to your deep rooftop and you make your deal with Jeff.
Yep.
He's a much better looking Jeff. Think about how happy you'll be and how much more free you'll be taking control over your life by just shaking one really rich dude's hand. See you guys in the comments. Oh! Click it. Bye. See ya later.